In 1869, Frederic Church referred to Olana as the center of the world. Standing at the top of Olana's hill today, visitors can still experience a largely unchanged view of what Church experienced nearly 150 years ago. The big view from Olana conveys earlier ideas of manifest destiny, an American identity tied to wilderness and scenic beauty, spiritually connected to nature and the sublime. Places like Olana have the power to inspire visitors with a sense of awe and wonder. The art historian David Huntington, who led the charge to save Olana from destruction in the 1960s, wrote,
"Olana is the monument of Emerson's, Thoreau's, and Whitman's America." Olana's landscape includes atmospheric and climactic effects which can be seen for miles across the valley into the mountaintops. Seasonal and sometimes surprising weather patterns, fog, and flamboyant sunsets often contribute to the experience of being at Olana. Frederic Church was able to see art in the drama of nature and on canvas, and in the creation of Olana he was able to translate nature into a form of dramatic art.
In 1977, the Nuclear Regulatory Commission and the Power Authority of the State of New York held hearings on siting a massive nuclear power plant along the Hudson River directly in Olana's main view. During legal hearings, Olana's views played a role. A winter scene painting by Frederic Church of the view in question served as evidence. The Nuclear Regulatory Commission ultimately recommended denial. This was the first time that such a recommendation had been made on any grounds, let alone environmental or aesthetic.
The totality of Olana, the house, the collections, the landscape, and the views have been preserved through much effort over many years by many people. The desire to save Olana started in the 1960s, and it has continued over a half-century by new generations of supporters. Waves of protection and interpretation and restoration indoors and out. Visitors, dedicated volunteers, staff, and donors have all been inspired in some way by the legacy of Frederic Church, the artist. Resources have been directed toward protecting the integral landscape beyond Olana's historic boundary, the Olana Viewshed. This has been the work of partner organizations such as Scenic Hudson, the Open Space Institute, the Columbia Land Conservancy, the Trust for Public Land, and the Audubon Society. All have joined with the Olana Partnership, the New York State Historic Preservation Office, and private landowners to safeguard Olana as a vital resource for the region. To date, nearly 3,000 acres have been strategically protected within Olana's historic viewshed on both sides of the Hudson River. This work continues today with an eye toward future generations.